inna the brook, sun it the zinc and the mango leaf. Me say, take time, brother, take time, cause every soul got a story underneath. Rasta medicine and not just leaf and root. How you carry mercy in your chest. Me watch old man smile with a hole in a shoe. Still him bless every soul with him rest. When the road get rough and the road get dry, hope and truth now flee. If you head to the sky, one love in a the wound, one prayer in a the bone. If you know who you be, you never walk alone. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, Jah light in a this place.
One yard, one heart, holy prophet.
Me see young youth want run with fire, but fire can cook or it can burn the yard. So me tell them use your hand fi grill, cause hungry belly nah respect no child. If you plant love, you reap dignity. If you plant hate, you sleep with war. Every chain where them put on mankind start with fear in the mind before. When the night feel long and the river low, hear the drum in your blood, let the courage grow. No need gold chain talk, no need empty cry. Keep your spirit clean and your walk upright. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, Jah light in a this place.
One yard, one heart, holy prophet.
Babylon build wall, but truth walk through. Rain can't wash out what Jah plant in you. So you fall, get up. If you cry, let go. Even broken plate can still hold gold. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, Jah light in a this place.
One yard, one heart, holy prophet.
Rasta medicine, through the struggle and pain. Rasta medicine, rise again and again. Rasta medicine, through the struggle and pain. Rasta medicine, rise again and again. Me rise with the sun and a breathing grace. Iron herb inna me and calm set me pace. When the road get rough, me no run from pain. Me use the storm fi water me brain. Make the heart stay clean, no carry bad blood. Walk through the mud, still grow like flood. Every seed we suffer got a sacred plan. Every bruise tell truth to the honest man. So me chant, hold on brethren. Through the fire, through the bend, yeah. Babylon noise can't cut me trade. Zion light keep guide me, yeah. Zion herb, hold me firm. Zion herb, let me learn. Zion herb, cool me soul. Zion herb, make me whole. Zion herb, hold me firm. Zion herb, let me not beg praise from no one in the crowd. Me build me house pan rock, not pan cloud. If your mind get trapped in a fear and spite, just turn to the herb and remember you're right. One life, one heart, one reason to live. One hand to bless, one hand to give. Enough man talk big, but them spirit thin. True strength start where humility begin. So me chant, hold on brethren. Through the fire, through the bend, yeah. Babylon noise can't cut me trade. Zion light keep guide me, yeah. Zion earth, hold me firm. Zion earth, let me learn. Zion earth, cool me soul. Zion earth, make me whole. Zion earth, hold me firm. Zion earth, let me learn. When me lose me way, it bring me back. When me too hot, it ease the crack. Teach me patience, teach me sight. Turn me darkness into light. No vanity, no empty show. Just roots and rain and blessings grow. So if you weary, come sit near. Hear the truth in the smoke scene clear. Zion earth, hold me firm. Zion earth, let me learn. Zion earth, cool me soul. Zion earth, make me whole. Zion earth, hold me firm. Zion earth, let me whole. Rasta medicine in the morning dew. Bust through the pain, make my spirit brand new. One hand pon the songs, one hand pon the root. Truth in my chest like a iron-clad suit. Them say life hard, but Jah make me bold. Me walk slow, fire, but me heart no cold. Every scar tell story, every tear got weight. Seen the storm come back, still me stand up straight. So me lift up me head. Hear the wise man say, take the suffering, turn it into bread. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. Rasta medicine, make me whole. Root and reason, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, all day long. Keep me strong. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. One calabash water, one leaf from the hill. Me no chase bent talk, me seek out the will. Patois from me tongue, truth from me lips. When Babylon pressure, me tighten me grip. Them select the glory, me don't buy that talk. Me no plant the seed when my foot in a dark. Poor man can be rich when the mind stay clean. And a humble heart shine like a rising sunbeam. For me lift up me head. Hear the wise man say, take the suffering, turn it into bread. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. Rasta medicine, make me whole. Root and reason, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, all day long. Keep me strong. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. When the road get rough and the night too long, Jah put fire in my belly, make me weak turn strong. No need for run, no need for fret. Every lesson is a blessing me ain't learned yet. So me chant one time, let the earth step back. Heart full of faith and my feet stay black and steadfast. fear me plant the seal, heal up the mind. That's the real need. Root take hold in a barefoot clay. Old talk drop make the dark run away. Make no man sell your empty pride. I got medicine deep inside. Hold firm when the wind get rough. Hold firm, love still enough. Them want you fall, but your soul too bold. Rasta medicine, keep your heart from cold. Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me. Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, Rasta medicine. See them youths from the corner staring, pocket full of hurt, but them not stop caring. One earth, one word, one prayer in a place. Turn fear to fire, turn shame to grace. Make a step slow, still you reach far. Jam up the road like a lone bright star. If your belly empty, share the bread. If your spirit tired, raise your head. Hold firm when the night grow long. Hold firm, still sing strong. Them why you bow, but you know Rasta medicine turn pure to gold. Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me. Rasta medicine, lift me, mold me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, Rasta medicine. No run to hollow goal, no sell your soul for shine. Real strength live in the roots, deep in the humble vine. Every scar tell story, every tear girl sight. When you walk with truth, you walk with light. Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me. Rasta medicine, help me, roll me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me. Rasta medicine, lift me, hold me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, Rasta medicine. Yeah man, keep your center, keep your faith, keep your fire. Rasta medicine, at the road, at the prayer, at the higher. Morning sun touch the zinc roof. Whole yard wait with truth. Me burn the fear, me plant the seed. Heal up the mind, that's the real need. Root take hold in a barefoot clay. Old talk drop make the dark run away. Make no man sell you empty pride. Jah got medicine deep inside. Hold firm when the wind get rough. Hey. Hold firm, love still enough. Hey. Them want you fall, but your soul too bold. Rasta medicine, keep your heart from cold. Rasta medicine, See them youths on the corner staring, pocket full of hurt, but them not stop caring. One herb, one word, one prayer in a place. Turn fear to fire, turn shame to grace. Make a step slow, still you reach far. Jam out the road like a lone bright star. If your belly empty, share the bread. If your spirit tired, raise your head. Hold firm when the night grow long. Yeah, hold firm, still sing strong. Yeah, them why you bow, but you know Rasta medicine turn pain to vow. Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me, kneel me, hold me, hold me. Rasta medicine, lift me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, yeah, Rasta medicine, yeah, Rasta medicine. Hey, no run to hollow gold, no sell your soul for shine. Real strength live in the roots, deep in the humble vine. Every scar tells story, every tear builds sight. When you walk with truth, you walk with light. Oh, Rasta medicine, heal me, hold me, heal me, hold me, hold me. Rasta medicine, lift me, mold me, hold me, roll me. Words like balm, mind get calm. Rasta medicine, hey, Rasta medicine. Yeah man, keep your center, keep your faith, keep your fire. Rasta medicine, at the road, at the prayer, at the higher. Yeah. Yeah. Me rise with the sun and I'm breathing grace. I am herb in me hand, come set me pace. When the road get rough, me no run from pain. Me use the storm fi water me brain. Make the heart stay clean, no carry bad blood. Walk through the mud, still grow like flood. Every seed we suffer got a sacred plan. Every bruise tell truth to the honest man. So me chant, hold on, break chain to the fire, to the bed, yeah. Babylon nice can't cut me tread. Zion light keep guide me head. Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. Zion herb cool me soul. Zion herb let me hold. Hold, hold. Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. Me not beg praise from no one in the crowd. Me build me house pan rock, not pan cloud. If your mind get trapped in a fear and spite, just turn to the herb and remember you're right. One life, one heart, one reason to live. One hand fi bless, one hand fi give. Enough man talk big, but them spirit thin. True strength start where humility begins. So me chant, hold on, brethren, to the fire, through the bed. Babylon lies can't cut me tread. Zion light keep guide me head. Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. Zion herb cool me soul. Zion herb make me whole. Whole, whole. Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. When me lose me way, it bring me back. When me too hot, it ease the crack. Teach me patience, teach me sight. Turn me darkness into light. No vanity, no empty show. Just roots and rain and blessings grow. So if you're weary, come sit near. Hear the truth in the smoke scene clear. Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. Zion herb cool me soul. Zion herb make me whole. Whole Zion herb hold me firm. Zion herb let me learn. Man wake up inna the brook sun, it the zinc and the mango leaf. Me say take time, brother, take time, cause every sword got a story underneath. Rasta medicine and not just leaf and root. How you carry mercy inna your chest. Me watch old man smile with a hole in a shoe, still him bless every soul where him rest. When the road get rough and the mouth get dry, hold pan truth now flee, lift your head to the sky. One love inna the wound, one prayer inna the bone. If you know who you be, you never walk alone. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, your light in a display. 1 year, 1 yard, 1 yard, holy perfect. 1 yard, 1 yard, holy perfect. Me see young youth want run with fire, but fire can cook or it can burn the yard. So me tell them use your hand fi build, cause hungry belly nah respect no char. If you plant love, you reap dignity. If you plant hate, you sleep with war. Every chain where them put pan mankind start with fear in the mind before. When the night feel long and the river low, hear the drum in your blood, let the courage grow. No need gold chain talk, no need empty pride. Keep your spirit clean and your walk upright. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, your light in a display. 1 year, 1 yard, 1 yard, holy perfect. 1 yard, 1 yard. Babylon build wall, but truth walk through. Rain can't wash out what Jah plant in you. So if you fall, get up. If you cry, let go. Even broken clay can still hold gold. Rasta medicine, heal me whole soul. Rasta medicine, make the weak one whole. Rasta medicine, root, word and grace. Rasta medicine, your light in a display. 1 year, 1 yard, 1 yard, holy perfect. 1 yard, 1 love. Rasta medicine, through the struggle and pain. Rasta medicine, rise again and again. Medicine in the morning dew, bust through the pain, make me spirit brand new. 1 hand pon the sounds, 1 hand pon the root. Truth in me chest like a ironclad suit. Them say life hard, but Jah make me bold. Me walk slow fire, but my heart no cold. Every scar tell story, every tear got wet. Seen the storm come back, still me stand up straight. So me lift up me head. Hear the wise man say, take the suffering, turn it into bread. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. Rasta medicine, make me whole. Root and reason, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, all day long, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. One calabash water, one leaf from the hill. Me no chase vain talk, me seek out the will. Patwa on me tongue, truth for me lips. When Babylon pressure, me tighten me grip. Them sell empty glory, me don't buy that talk. Me know who plant the seed when me foot in a dark. Poor man can be rich when the mind stay clean. And a humble heart shine like a rising sunbeam. So me lift up me head. Hear the wise man say, take the suffering, turn it into bread. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. Rasta medicine, make me whole. Root and reason, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, all day long, keep me strong. Rasta medicine, heal me soul. When the road get rough and the night too long, Jah put fire in me belly, make me weak, turn strong. No need for run, no need for fret. Every lesson is a blessing, me ain't learned yet. So me chant one time, let the earth step back. Heart full of faith, and my feet stay black and steady.